Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to solve a comprehension. Read the passage and answer the questions that follow. First we have to read the passage. Here is a picture of animal dog. We have to read the points which are given about the dog and we have to answer the questions which will be given according to the paragraph. The dog is a pet animal. He is found all over the world. He is of various sizes, colors, and shapes. He has thin legs, large ears, sharp teeth, and hairy body. He eats bread and meat. He has a keen sense of smell and runs very fast. He is used for guarding his master's house. He is also used for catching thieves and hunting. Now tick the correct answer. The dog is a dash animal, pet animal. Dog has a keen sense of smell. The dog eats bread and meat. The dog is very faithful animal.